made it on.
Ricotta, salata, eggplant, tomato, basil.
First meal on the ship, starting off solid with bread. The butter is really good. I like the texture of this one better, but I like the taste of that one better.
I'd rate that one like a 7.
Alright, first meal. Me and my mom got the same thing.
It's named after my mom. It's rigatoni alla norma.
So cute. What did you get?
Beef butt.
Not those cheeks.
Seared beef cheeks.
I hope they're not those cheeks, right?
I don't care what type of cheeks it is.
I did. Of our plates. First dessert. What is it?
I have no idea.
They both got bubble rum. What did you get, Daddy?
That's a good question.
Orange cream.
Orange cream with caramel sauce. That's good.
It's alright. The whipped cream saves it for me.
I'm not gonna finish it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat the whipped cream
I'm gonna
and
finish
dip it in the dollops of little passion fruit.
Yeah. We're just walking around, kind of getting our bearings on the ship. And this is the theater where they'll do shows every night. So we'll probably be here every night, I'd say.
Yeah, this is so nice.
Here's the view
What
from
time
the
did y'all
top
see a
deck.
time?
7 o'clock is one show and
So crazy. Here's another little place for dancing and good things. It's so nice. They have an entire art gallery on the ship and it is so pretty.
I'm surprised that they left cameras.
This is the pool area. It's so nice out.
so there's deck chairs all around the pool. So sitting pool.
Like tweaking out.
How are you feeling?
My overwhelmed with joy. Like a little kid in like Dave and Buster's.
Really? So this is the gym. Gorgeous view. Gorgeous view. This is insane. There's weights and everything. I'm sure Troy will be in here. Crazy. Someone's already getting a workout in. So we've already gotten in the pool, technically the hot tub,
And the pool.
but we're taking off, literally moving as we speak. Slowly moving. I don't even know if you can tell we're moving. So this is the view from our room. We have a little,
There's NASA.
yeah. We have a little, it's really cool. It's like you can make it into a deck that's separate from the room, but it's also attached. And so this window rolls down and it can be more deck-like. This is our room, by the way. Very cozy for 4 people. But we're gonna make it work. We are on I think it's on a 7-day cruise. This is the Celebrity Apex ship. My family has only ever cruised Carnival, so this is like amazing, like such a step up. Our stops are somewhere in the Dominican Republic on the northern side, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and St. Kitts. So we have 3 days of stops at the ports back to back, and then on the way back we'll have 2 sea days, and then we'll be back in Florida. But it is so gorgeous. We left like 10-ish minutes ago and we're so excited. We're gonna go eat at the buffet because for lunch we were a part of the concierge class or whatever, so we got to have like a different lunch. We're gonna go to the buffet because they have so many options.
Look at the boat.
Look at the boat. That's the casino cruise.
Oh my.
Bye, America. We both got our pizza and the most gorgeous view. Wow, that land right there. So long.
A lot farther than I expected us to get.
Yeah, for sure. First bite of pizza.
It's nice.
Mine's a little fluffy. 1, 2. It's very hot. We just took it off the oven. I'd give it a 9 out of 10, strictly because it's a little floppy.
I think it's like an 8-1, 8-2.
That's still high though.
It is.
Yeah. Ready for dinner. Oh, hey. We're ready for dinner. Give them an outfit check.
This is
Troy
what
got
the
these
children
cute
do.
little shoes from Target.
These are from
Well, my dress is from Loft. I know that for sure. All right,
might just
dinner.
ask you for more shirts,
I got a
plenty of
steak with some veggies. What did you get?
the chef's special. Shrimp.
What did you guys get?
I got the beef and croup. Just beef wrapped in croup.
Prime rib, baby.
It's really good.
And she just sprinkled Parmesan.
Yum.
I asked the waiter for just shrimp because it was great. And this is what she gave me.
Look how pretty. All right, what did you get?
I got carrot cake. It's this cute little squarey thing.
Yeah.
I have the best thing at the table. This is creme brulee.
All right.
I had the best thing on this table. Cheesecake with caramel and chocolate drizzle.
Nice. I got cheesecake with strawberry.
Top and they flame it up. Sweet.
Just go for it.
It's pretty good.
Earlier today, we were exploring the ship. Just below the gym, there's just like spa. Yes, we went back there. Crazy. They had like heated lounging chairs, but they weren't like lounge chairs. They were like floating slabs of like marble, basically. And in the middle of them, they were all heated.
It was so nice. I
So
sat down
nice.
for like a second.
Yeah.
And there was also like saunas. There was like really roofy things.
Water rain therapy.
It's just water.
It was, but with
Yeah.
like the super cool rainy shower heads and stuff.
Yeah.
They had a heated sauna, and then they had a heated salt smelling sauna, and then they had a heated crystal recharging sauna.
We thought it was all like complimentary, like since they allowed us back there. Apparently it was the one day thing, and you have to buy the membership to have it all.
The aqua.
week.
I told her to vlog it when we were there, and we were like, we'll just do it next time we're there. Sucks to suck.
We're headed to a comedy show. Yes, comedy show in the theater.
What do you call a lady with one leg? Eileen. Where does she work? IHOP. You guys have been great. We'll see you around the ship.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We just got our breakfast. What did you get?
They have these super cool looking waffles. A pork patty. Yeah, look at the waffles. A pork patty, some scrambled eggs. Tried to throw some hot sauce on there. Then I got pineapple and cantaloupe and passion. What was it called?
Passion fruit guava.
Passion fruit guava.
I got a blueberry pancake, French toast, a croissant, yogurt with granola, peach yogurt, and eggs. And then they also have Nutella, so I got a little dollop of Nutella. We slept last night. Slept okay. Well, you snored for a while. After that, I went to sleep. I tossed and turned a lot though. The bed wasn't like super comfy.
I wasn't either.
He's lying. His was comfy apparently. Well, me and my mom are going to lay out after this. So I brought the wrong book. The Honeymooners. I think it's by Christina Lauren. I wanted to read that one. Because that one's more vacation-y. It's another sea day today, so we'll just be looking at this all day. We got our first coffee on the ship. I got an iced latte with vanilla. It is not the best coffee I've ever had, but it's good. It does the job. I kind of want to try different ones every day. A cappuccino if they have one. We're laying out and I'm gonna read my book. I brought the Honeymooners. That's what we'll be doing for the foreseeable future.
Alright, exactly. Here we go. Watch the hot hands behind you at the touch.
For lunch, I got egg noodles, broccoli, some chicken, a mini baguette, and a little wrap.
I had to go the healthy option today.
Okay.
Gotta get chicken breast. We got some raw broccoli. Got some watermelon and some pineapple.
Casey, you gonna go for?
Well, it's definitely between case 6 or 7.
We are headed to dinner for tonight. It's one of the fancier nights, so give them a little fit check.
I got this from Savannah. Don't know where she got it. Same pants from the other night. Don't know where I got them. Got my shoes, these really good Will shoes, and then my Amazon/Walmart socks.
I'm wearing this dress is from Aerie. My shoes are from TJ Maxx. Going to dinner and then we're gonna go dancing. After that, there's going to a singing and dancing show. What did you get?
I got grilled octopus.
I got a Caesar salad again. My dad got some sort of soup. And my mom got escargot, which I hear is good.
There it is.
But I won't be trying. I got the ribs. He got...
I got steak Diane.
And...
the chef special.
Which
don't know
was...
what it is. Pork something.
Gosh. And then they both got ribs as well.
Pork something.
Look at my beautiful dessert. It's a phyllo tulip thing, and I got ice cream.
Connections on Myrtle. We've had a very long day, but a great day. We're currently listening to somebody play violin. Very talented. I just gotta mention this. Keep going to the bathroom. And listen. They have towels, like hand towels, washcloths to dry, that you use to dry your hands instead of paper towels. Think about that. Think about how bougie that is. Okay?
We're getting to the Dominican Republic.